We have the urgent task of reducing the burden of cooking with traditional fuels and inefficient stoves, especially for women and children. We are committed to changing the narrative of clean cooking in Kenya. Our call to action, therefore, is to scale up the distribution of improved cookstoves, deepen our impact, and invest boldly in the people and technologies that make clean cooking a reality. Our mission is not only to deliver improved cookstoves, but to expand opportunities for clean cooking through a multi-fuel approach that promotes dignity, health, and hope for all Kenyans.
It's also about knowledge transfer, about investing in human capitals, but also a very concrete assets like the pickups and the tuk-tuks financed by the German Ministry for Cooperation and Development. So today we will hand over 7 of these brand new pickups and 35 of the tuk-tuks.
The pickups and the tuk-tuks handed over today are tools of transformation. They symbolize trust, empowerment, and our shared commitment to ensuring that no one is left behind. We want to move together.
My name is Wachira. My company is Rindex Cornerstone, and I'm a producer of cookstoves. I'm feeling so happy. I feel like jumping. I feel like singing. I feel like praising. I feel so good inside myself. They have really uplifted my life. They have really given me a step forward. I'm not the woman that used to be, who started a small work, but as of today, I am a woman who has been now recognized as a professional businesswoman in Kenya and even in Germany.
So it's really a win-win. It's a win for the environment, it's a win for the entrepreneurs. It will enable you to access the consumers, as was said earlier, to a much better rate, to really bridge also the last mile of the market, and to bring the new technology and the clean cooking solutions to the customers.
The vehicle is really going to benefit me because one, in fact, when I remember that I lost my vehicle when I was doing this business, and now it is replaced with a new one, 0 miles. I'm so happy that my work now is going to be perfect, it's going to be easy, I'm going to be a good distributor, now everything that I need, it's going to help me.
And also by the end of the day help Kenya to meet its NDC climate mitigation goals, but also in a way help all of us, because every ton of CO2 avoided is good for the climate, for all of us.
We extend our deepest gratitude, our development and implementing partners, led by the GIZ and including the National Treasury, Council of Governors, BEREC, and the Clean Cooking Association of Kenya. Your collaboration and unwavering support have been instrumental in the smooth and impactful implementation of this wonderful project.